Today is January 16 and I was expecting 3 parcels pero dalawa lang yung dumating. This is from Cornell. From Get Ready With Me. These are inserts for my face card palette in saffron. Konti-konti ko pa lang yung pagbili kasi ang mahal nila. And I'm waiting for navy blue nung face card palette din. Sana mag-release. January 17 and I have 2 parcels. Maangge blush and matte lipstick. This was the 3rd parcel that I was waiting for yesterday. And ngayon lang siya dumating. Look, paano to open? It's January 29. I have parcel. A hair straightener from My Mate. It's the last day of the month and I have 3 parcels. Smooth Skin sunscreens. I've been looking for a sunscreen na hindi nag-oil up after ilang hours and I'm trying this. From Obsidy.